Everyone loves getting gifts, and we're gonna level up your gift giving by making some really beautiful gift wrap made out of fabric. Hey y'all, I'm Withlaurenmellany, sewist, crafter, and mama to 3 littles. On this channel, I make videos to teach you skills and help you find time to actually do them. If you're new here, consider subscribing because I have a new video coming at you every single week. Today we're going to learn several different ways to wrap gifts with fabric, also known as Furoshiki. Furoshiki is the Japanese art of wrapping fabrics, like so. And if you want to learn how to actually make these fabric wraps, check out my video right here because I go through step by step how to make them yourself. So let's go over the traditional knot first. You'll take your fabric and have it right side facing down with one corner towards you. You'll put your present and you'll just cover it up. Maybe fold it over to make it secure. Fold it over once or twice, then fold the top corner down. You may need to make adjustments depending on how big your fabric is in comparison to your gift. So I'm going to do this one more time. Yeah, that looks a lot better. And then you're going to grab each side, twist it a little bit. This will make it a little tighter on your gift, and it adds some texture as well. Then you'll just tie a knot and then ultimately tie a square knot as well. You can add some embellishments like these dried flowers and just stick it in that knot. You may need to loosen it up and have a couple tries, but it'll get in there. And that's your traditional knot. Place your fabric down and your present right in the middle. Grab your first pair of corners and tie them right together. Then grab the remaining 2 corners. Make sure those first 2 corners are in the middle, and then tie those together. Then you'll go back to your first pair and then tie a knot. And then finally, you'll grab your second pair and then tie one last knot for the top. And there you have it. You'll place your fabric down with one corner towards you. Put your present right in the middle and fold that bottom corner up and cover your present. You're going to grab the right side or the right corner, make it tight and fold over your present. This long edge right here, you're going to fold it over about a couple inches and then grab the left side and start scrunching it all up in your left hand. Then grab the remaining corner in your right hand and scrunch it up to make it nice and tight, and then just tie a square knot. You'll take these loose ends and just tuck it in under those folds. It may take a little bit of readjusting to get everything where you like it, but now you've done the corner knot. This next one is actually like a little tiny bag. So you can hold it, has a little handle. You can put gifts, or whenever you're shopping, you can actually put things inside, and then it becomes your own little shopping bag. Place your fabric down and grab the top 2 corners and make a square knot. You're going to grab the bottom 2 corners and do the same exact thing. Now you have like a little boat. So you're going to grab your presents and just put it right in there. Take one knot and thread it through the opening of the first knot. Look how cute that is. There you have it, 4 different ways to do Furoshiki gift wrapping. If you found value in anything that you've seen here today, hit that subscribe button because I have so much more coming for you. And I'll catch you on the next one.